Hey guys, I hope you're all having another great day. Welcome back to the Financial Fox channel. My name is Bob, and today we'll be discussing Workhorse stock. Before we get started though, I have listed some of my favorite investing books down in the description below and their links. Feel free to check them out. Also, don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. It really helps out my channel and it gets my videos out to a bigger audience. Now, let's get started. Alright guys, I'm going to give you the background information on this company, Workhorse Group. Workhorse was founded back in 2007 and their headquarters are in my home state of Ohio. And it's kind of crazy, they only have 81 full-time employees. So employee-wise, they are a pretty small company. Especially comparing it to their big brother, Tesla. Tesla has over 48,000 full-time employees. Workhorse sells and leases electric vehicles and aircrafts. So they have two different divisions, automobile and aircraft. They do have a cloud-based operating system and it'll show the best routes or efficient routes for their fleet vehicles. They offer many electric cars. They offer light and medium duty pickup trucks and also cargo vans. Last but not least, Workhorse also offers a drone delivery system as well. They call it the Horsefly, which I think is a pretty cool name for it. There are a lot of positive things going for this company. Workhorse has recently put their bid in for their USPS contract. And if they do end up winning this contract with USPS to become partners with them, this would be huge for the company. The contract is supposedly worth $6.3 billion, and they'll end up needing 186,000 new mail trucks over the next 5 to 7 years. Workhorse also owns 10% of Lordstown Motors. Lordstown Motors just debuted their first electric truck called the Endurance with the help of Vice President Mike Pence. By Workhorse owning a partial of Lordstown Motors, this creates some diversity for their company. I personally find the drone delivery system the most interesting aspect of their business. The Horsefly can deliver anything below 5 pounds. It is an autonomous drone delivery system. So you can actually download the app Horsefly and track your package until it reaches your doorstep. In order for the Horsefly to work though, there has to be a Workhorse fleet truck or van that's nearby to operate it. I think they might be able to track Amazon or even UPS if they do create any success at all with Horsefly. The Workhorse Group currently has UPS, DHL, FedEx Express already as customers. On June 29th, Workhorse recently just joined the Russell 3000, and then the very next day, they secured a $70 million loan from a financial institution. Okay, now that I've gave you guys all the background information on this company, let's dive into the stock. Remember, the ticker symbol is WKHS. Their stock price has been pretty stagnant over the past 2 to 3 years, hovering around $2 to $3 a share. And in just last April, the shares dove to 50 cents a share. And now it's hitting all-time highs with all this good news. And just today, the stock has had some pullback, and it's currently at $17.61 a share. But man, do I wish that I would have invested back in April at 50 cents a share. Man, I would have been rich. The stock price was down 4% last Wednesday until a new analyst just doubled his price target for the stock from $13 to $26 a share. The reason why this analyst has doubled his price target to $26 a share is because he thinks that Workhorse has a 1 to 2 year competitive advantage already in the electric delivery vehicle. And just in 3 months, this stock has exploded 881%. And this was so close of 10xing your money in just 3 months. 10x like Grant Cardone, Workhorse Group's market cap is at $1.24 billion, while Tesla, on the other hand, is at $255 billion. So here are my personal thoughts on Workhorse Stock Group. Now, remember though, I am not a licensed financial broker. Please do your own research. I believe that this stock and this company will become successful, especially if they land this USPS contract. And also, just because this is an EV or electric vehicle stock like Tesla or Nikola, this will be going much higher in the summer. In my opinion, this stock is a buy, even though it has been recently hitting all-time highs. Leave a comment in the description below and let me know if you guys are either watching or buying Workhorse. I hope I have enlightened you all on their company and their stock. As always, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe and don't forget to hit that like button.